everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you already follow me on Instagram, you would have a little bit of an idea that I was on a trip recently to Southeast Asia, that is Sabah. This was not one of those trips, with one of those luxury trips where you know where you're going to be staying at, you stay in a 5-star property, nothing of that sort. Basically, I was mostly in the villages, mostly in the countryside, doing trekking, mountain biking, everything possible out in the sun, and living on very minimal out of a backpack with very basic necessities with me. So barring a sunscreen, there was barely anything that I put on my skin, and it was so hot, and mostly I ended up doing water activities, so I assume most of the sunscreen washed away, or even if it did, the sun was way too up for being out for that long to protect my skin. So the situation right now is that I have come back burned. My shoulder skin is burned, my arms, they're burned. I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of prickly heat here. If you see breakouts, I have so many breakouts on my face. Before I went there, everyone kept asking me, what do I do for my skin and how do I look so bright and young? So the product that I have been using for a while, or was using for a while before I went in, was this one. I don't focus. Yeah, so this is what I was using. This is the Soul Tree Anti-Aging Face Oil. This was something that I would use as a moisturizer before I went in there. But clearly this is not the product for this situation. So I need a lot of help right now. So I'll share with you what exactly I'm gonna do to fix this and to come back to where I was a couple of weeks before, using some very basic products. And of course, I like to use products that are organic, Ayurvedic and all natural. So using these products, how can I fix this? So first step, I have switched to cleansing. Again, use a good cleanser for your skin. If you can get your hands on something which is natural and Ayurvedic, very recommended. I'm going to be using the Soul Tree cleanser because this works good for my skin. It's very, very mild, and it's got natural ingredients. It's got rose, which is very good for calming skin which is burned like mine. So I'm going to go clean my skin and come back. Step is scrubbing your skin, and most people would think that if you have acne you should not scrub your skin, which is not completely true. You can, but you have to be really careful not to scrub around the area which is inflamed already. So I'm going to leave this, but the rest of my face needs to be scrubbed clean, squeaky clean, because it's going to take out all the active whiteheads there are, and make sure that I don't get any breakouts further on because of those whiteheads. So let's just go ahead and use this. This has got sandalwood, walnut and turmeric. Turmeric is the key right now. This needs turmeric. So current situation that I have, I don't think a very, very basic routine would suffice. So I think right now a little bit of detan pack or Radiance pack can really help. So, and tomorrow I'm off to Europe for another 2 weeks, which means this is something that I'm going to repeat for a while. So a product that I have used off and on, though I should have used a little more. This is the Radiance face pack, which has pink lotus, saffron and turmeric. So that means the dull skin, the dead skin, the obnoxious whatever I have from all the sun damage can really be reversed with this. But along with this one, another thing that my skin definitely needs, and especially I need it on this area, is this one. This is the Detan face pack, and this basically has mountain rose, lemon peel and oatmeal. And what I like about the product is it comes in these little sachets, so that means I can carry this on my Europe trip as well. Though I'm backpacking again for 2 weeks, but at least I have the luxury of my own time here. So I'm gonna carry these with me. I'm gonna write on them T-Tan face pack and carry this with me. I'm also gonna carry the Radiance face pack, but this goes on my face and this goes on my shoulders and the rest of my arms. So now after I have washed my skin, again I need two different products for this because for the breakout I'm using this anti-acne oil. This has got tea tree and cinnamon, so I am assuming this is gonna help. Tea tree is really beneficial. Tea tree is something that I carry with me also, and I was applying it but it didn't help. Now I'm gonna do everything possible under the sun to make sure that this happens. Another thing I need to use to radiate this beautiful face is Radiance face oil, which has saffron and turmeric. Again, very useful ingredients to get back the natural glow of your skin and make sure that all this dullness goes away. So this goes up next. Okay, now the application. It's just the scars with your pimples. Okay. Light burning sensation might happen initially, so it's written, and I did feel it also. One thing I have to give to this brand is that they pack their products really well. So some of the times when I've traveled with tea tree oil, by the time I open my suitcase, when it's gone on the flight and landed in another part of the world, all the tea tree is gone because of, it evaporates. But these, their packaging is like really nice. So next trip, this is going with me, and I hope all my clothes don't end up smelling like tea tree oil. Last step is on this. I'm gonna put some Radiance on. So I am going to put the Radiance oil. Before that, I'm gonna read the instructions for you. This says, face at night, apply sultry Radiance oil on your face gently in upward direction. That is it. It's supposed to be used at night, but I want some radiance happening in the daytime as well. So a drop of this. It's actually 2 drops. Never mind. Okay. 2 drops of Radiance oil. And this goes all over my face in upward direction. Till my next trip, unless required or I'm stepping out for an event or anything, I'm gonna go completely makeup free, just the oils. Nothing in my skin. Just gonna let my skin heal and breathe till I get on my next trip, and again load it up with, and I hate loading my skin up with chemicals anyway, so this is it. Clean skin, clean hair, no extra products. This is how we're gonna let my skin breathe. Okay, I need a little bit of lip balm, maybe a little bit of a cheek stain. We're gonna heal our skin now. Thank you.